In this video, I will teach you how you can verify your phone number right in your Facebook Meta Ads Manager ads account. In case you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Popka Innocent, and on this channel, I create videos on how to run profitable and effective Facebook and Instagram ads, as well as TikTok ads and other social media marketing. So if you're interested in social media marketing, digital marketing, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing video. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Log in your Facebook account on any browser. At the left hand side, scroll down, you will see more here. Click on see more and ads manager will show up. Click on ads manager. It's loading, just wait a little, and you'll be directed to the Meta Ads Manager dashboard like this. Just hover your mouse on this left hand side. This is where we call the tools bar. You see all the tools here. To be able to verify your phone number, click on this account overview right here. When you click on account overview, you can see verify phone number here. Then click on add phone number. Select your country code. Just scroll through the country codes you have here and look for the particular one for your country. I'm living in Nigeria and this is the one for Nigeria, so I'll select that of Nigeria. Then I will enter the phone number here. After entering the phone number, you can select your preferred language here. I prefer the English UK. Go ahead and click on this next button. You'll be asked to confirm your phone number. These are the various ways you can confirm your phone number. Please take notes. From my own experience, I noticed that they send the code faster with WhatsApp message. So I will select WhatsApp. When I select WhatsApp here, you will see this next button down below. Click on next. The confirmation code will be sent to your WhatsApp number. Click on text me now button. This space will be given to you to enter your confirmation code. Go to the WhatsApp number you provided. Facebook is going to send you that confirmation code. It's usually 6 digits. Copy it and paste here. I've received the verification code, so I will enter right now. 353452. Then click on this submit button. You can see confirmation successful. Your phone number has been confirmed. Click on done. Now you see that all confirmation has been done. Your phone number has been confirmed. The page has been confirmed and you have added payment method. So now your ad account is ready for ad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below.